Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood on his she-camel. So the people started asking him questions. One of them submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I did not know that the peoples were thrown before making sacrifice. So I made sacrifice before pelting the gravels. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no harm, throw the pebbles now. Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr radiyallahu anhu said that another man came and submitted, I did not know that the sacrifice was made before shaving the head. So I shaved my head before making sacrifice. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, there is no harm, make sacrifice now. So on that day, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not asked about anything ignorantly done before or after its prescribed sequence. But he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no harm, do it now. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3144.